Imagine stepping out into your backyard and being greeted by a stunning gazebo, a true outdoor sanctuary where comfort meets style and nature blends seamlessly with your living space. Creating your dream backyard gazebo isn't just about adding a structure, it's about crafting an experience, a place where memories are made and relaxation comes naturally. Let's explore how you can turn your vision into reality, from inspiration and planning to the finishing touches that make it uniquely yours. Start by envisioning how you want to use your gazebo. Is it a cozy retreat for quiet mornings with a cup of coffee? A lively hub for weekend barbecues and gatherings with friends? Or perhaps a serene space for meditation, reading, or yoga? Knowing the purpose of your gazebo will guide every decision you make, from size and location to decor and amenities. Next, consider the ideal location within your backyard. Take a walk around your outdoor space and notice how the light changes throughout the day. Are you drawn to a shady corner under mature trees? Or would you prefer a sun-drenched spot with open views? Think about how the gazebo will connect with your home and other outdoor features. Position it to maximize privacy, capture the best views, and create a natural flow between indoor and outdoor living areas. With your vision and location in mind, it's time to choose a design style that reflects your taste and complements your home's architecture. Gazebos come in a variety of shapes and styles: classic octagonal, square, rectangular, or even custom curves. Traditional designs feature ornate railings and detailed trim, while modern gazebos embrace clean lines and minimalist elegance. If your style leans rustic, consider natural wood finishes and exposed beams. For a more romantic vibe, decorative latticework and climbing vines can add a storybook charm. Now let's talk materials. Your choice will influence not only the look of your gazebo, but also its durability and maintenance needs. Wood is a timeless favorite, offering warmth and versatility. Cedar and redwood are naturally resistant to decay and insects, making them ideal for outdoor structures. Vinyl and composite materials require less upkeep and can mimic the look of wood while standing up to the elements. If you prefer a sleek contemporary feel, consider metals like aluminum or steel, which are both strong and stylish. The roof is a defining feature of any gazebo. A traditional pitched roof with shingles or cedar shakes provides classic appeal and excellent protection from the elements. For a lighter, breezier look, opt for a pergola-style roof with spaced beams, allowing dappled sunlight to filter through. Some gazebos feature retractable canopies or curtains, offering flexibility to adapt to changing weather and moods. Flooring sets the stage for comfort and style. Raised wooden decks feel inviting underfoot and can be stained or painted to match your design. Stone pavers or tile add a touch of luxury and are easy to clean. For an extra layer of coziness, outdoor rugs in bold patterns or soft neutrals can define the seating area and tie your decor together. Now it's time to personalize your dream gazebo with thoughtful touches that reflect your lifestyle. Furnish the space with comfortable seating. Think plush sofas, weather-resistant armchairs, or a classic porch swing. Add a dining table for alfresco meals or a coffee table for casual gatherings. Layer in throw pillows and blankets for a welcoming, lived-in feel. Lighting extends the enjoyment of your gazebo into the evening hours. String lights draped along the beams or wrapped around columns create a magical glow. Lanterns, candles, or solar-powered fixtures add ambiance and highlight architectural details. For functional lighting, consider ceiling fans with integrated lights for a cooling breeze on warm nights. Integrate nature into your gazebo design for a seamless connection with the outdoors. Hanging planters, flower boxes, or trellises with climbing roses or jasmine infuse the space with fragrance and color. Surround the gazebo with lush landscaping, ornamental grasses, flowering shrubs, or a border of aromatic herbs. Water features, like a bubbling fountain or koi pond nearby, add soothing sounds and a touch of tranquility. For year-round enjoyment, consider practical amenities that make your gazebo comfortable in any season. Install weatherproof curtains or screens to block wind and keep insects at bay. Add a portable heater or outdoor fireplace for cozy gatherings on cool evenings. In warmer months, ceiling fans or misting systems help keep the air fresh and comfortable. If entertaining is a priority, equip your gazebo with a built-in bar, mini fridge, or even an outdoor kitchen. A sound system or Bluetooth speakers set the mood for celebrations or quiet relaxation. For families, create a play zone with board games, a chalkboard wall, or space for arts and crafts. Don't forget storage solutions to keep your gazebo tidy and functional. Benches with hidden compartments, weatherproof storage boxes, or discreet shelving can house cushions, games, and outdoor essentials. As your dream gazebo takes shape, think about how it fits into the bigger picture of your backyard oasis. Create pathways with stepping stones or gravel to invite guests into the space. Add a pergola, arbor, or trellis to frame the entrance and enhance the sense of arrival. Connect your gazebo to other outdoor living areas, like a patio, pool, or fire pit, for a cohesive and inviting landscape. Above all, your backyard gazebo should reflect your personality and lifestyle. Fill it with items that bring you joy, your favorite books, a hammock for lazy afternoons, or a collection of potted succulents. Celebrate the changing seasons by swapping out decor, introducing new plants, or hosting seasonal gatherings. Building your dream backyard gazebo is an investment in comfort, beauty, and quality of life. It's a place to unwind after a busy day, to share laughter with loved ones, or to simply enjoy the peace and beauty of nature. With thoughtful planning, creative touches, and a focus on what matters most to you, your gazebo can become the heart of your outdoor haven, a sanctuary where memories are made and dreams take flight.